Ford Fiesta. Got some scrapes down here in the bumper corner. Up here. Got some chips here on the wing. More up here. Come along here. Got a scrape. I don't know if you see that. Scrape there right off. Also a little dent there as well. So we're going to paint the door and the wing and the bumper corner. Make it brand new again. Right, so we're going to start by taking out the door handle, taking off the trim along there so it's ready to paint. So we're just going to outline all the edges, all around the trims and light, just to make sure we don't do the PA or Scotch Brite. So let's get to it. Got it all outlined now, all around all the bits we don't want to touch with a BA or a Scotch Brite. Really good line on the bump as well, so time to prep it. Right, so the repair's all done. Time to finish the rest of the prep. Right, so the repairs are done, all the prep work done, scotching done. We've got the table recording, outline table, camera work all done, start outlining ready for some front. Right, so as you can see, job's all done. All the bits back on. Just got to polish in the blowings on the bumper, which you can't really see in there, they're quite good at the minute. A couple of dirt nibs to flat polish out, but as you can see, it's all done and dusted. Cheers.